Hi everyone, welcome to the Droigy channel. Today's video will explain to you Huawei phone stuck on charging screen. My Huawei phone ran out of power and turned off. I charged it for 3 hours but it still couldn't turn on. It was stuck on the charging screen. Does anyone know how to fix Huawei phone stuck on charging screen? This is a real example of a user. When your Huawei phone also has this problem, it may have a certain impact on your life to some extent, and you are eager to solve this problem immediately. Droigy is here at your side, showing you several ways to fix an Huawei phone that's stuck on charging screen. Sometimes, you might find phone charges and turns on but the charging icon does not disappear after removing the charger. This video will also save you out and tell you why is your Huawei phone still showing the charging symbol. Now, try all the steps here in the order we present. The instructions here work for almost all series of Huawei phones including Mate series, Pura series, Nova series, Honor series, Enjoy series and so on. Understanding why Huawei phone is stuck on charging screen before trying solutions can better help you solve this problem. So let's understand the cause of the problem first. 1. Battery problem. The battery itself may have a fault and cannot charge and supply power normally, resulting in Huawei phone is still showing the charging symbol. 2. Charger and charging port problem. If the charging cable and charging port are faulty or stuck by foreign objects, it may also cause Huawei phone stuck at battery charging screen. 3. Software failure. If the software you downloaded and installed carries a virus or has a fault, it may also cause the phone to fail to start normally and stay stuck on the charging screen. 4. Hardware problem. Problems with the hardware of the phone itself, such as damage, short circuit, etc., can also cause it to fail to start normally. Now that we have a preliminary understanding of the possible reasons, let's continue. In this video, we will share some effective methods to fix Huawei phone charging screen stuck to restore your Huawei phone to normal. If you have other questions, you can tell us in the comment area below the video, and we will reply to you within 24 hours. If you think this video is good, you can subscribe, like or leave a message to tell us which method helped you solve the problem. Method 1 is to try other chargers and check the charging port. If you encounter this situation, please first check whether there are problems and foreign objects in the charger and charging port. A faulty charger or a foreign object stuck in the charging port may cause the Huawei phone to not charge and power properly, resulting in the Huawei phone stuck on battery charging logo screen. This problem may also occur if the phone is overheating, so make sure the temperature of the Huawei phone is normal. Method 2 is to reinstall the battery. Powering off the phone may solve the Huawei phone stuck battery charging problem. If your Huawei phone battery is removable, you can also remove the battery and wait for 30 seconds before putting the battery back into the phone and connecting the charger. After that, turn the Huawei phone back on again to check if the Huawei phone stuck at the charging cycle problem has been fixed. If your battery is not removable, you can also wait for the battery to run out of power, after which the Huawei phone will automatically shut down. After that, charge it for at least 30 minutes, and then restart the Huawei phone to see if it can be turned on normally. Method 3 is hard restart. Hard restart will force the Huawei settings to close and then reopen. After restarting, users will get a new system without any residual processes or complex software. And hard restart can solve most of the Huawei phone is stuck on charging problems caused by software. So please force restart your Huawei phone. To force restart your Huawei phone, long press the combination of keys, power button and volume down button, for force restart of your Huawei phone. Long press the combination of keys for 10 seconds or more, and wait for the logo or vibration to appear on the screen of your Huawei phone. At this time, you can let go, and your Huawei phone will automatically restart. After the restart is complete, turn on your Huawei phone again to check whether it is out of the charging screen. Method 4 is to run safe mode. If you downloaded some third-party software before the problem occurred, if these third-party software carry viruses, then your Huawei phone may also have stuck battery charging problem. In order to check whether the problem is caused by a third-party application, try running your phone in safe mode. Safe mode will allow your device to start only with the minimum required to run, and third-party applications will not affect your Huawei phone. So safe mode can diagnose whether the problem of Huawei phone keeps showing the charging symbol is caused by a third-party application. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. First, make sure the Android phone is turned off and there is no USB connected first. After that, long press the power button and volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter the interface with safe mode options. Use the volume down button to select and the power button to confirm, after which your Huawei phone should reboot into safe mode with the safe mode logo on the screen. If your Huawei phone turns on normally in safe mode, there may be a problem with the apps you downloaded. If the problem occurred after you downloaded an app, then you need to find and delete all the problematic apps. To exit safe mode, just restart your phone. Method 5 is a hard reset. If the Huawei phone gets stuck on charging screen problem persists after trying the above solutions, You need to use the power and volume up buttons to enter recovery mode to perform a factory reset. But a factory reset will erase all data from your phone's storage, including contacts, messages, media files, and apps stored in the phone's memory. So, back up your data before performing a factory reset. Now follow the steps below to factory reset your Huawei phone. Make sure your Huawei device is powered off and there is no USB connection first. After that, press and hold the power button and volume up button until the phone vibrates for 3 seconds. Then your Huawei phone will enter recovery mode. In the Huawei recovery mode screen, use the volume up and down buttons to select clear data and press the power button to confirm. Then select factory reset via the volume up and down keys and press the power button to confirm. This will trigger the reset process, which takes only 2 to 3 seconds to complete. After the factory reset is complete, click back to return to the recovery interface. Select and click restart here, and your Huawei phone will re-enter the device home interface. Finally, you can retransfer your backed up data to your Huawei phone. Method 6 is to go to the after sales service center. After trying all the above methods, if the Huawei phone charging screen stuck problem still exists, it may be that the hardware or battery on the Huawei phone is faulty or damaged. It is recommended that you contact the Huawei after sales service center as soon as possible, and they will provide you with professional diagnosis and repair services. If you think this video is helpful to you and think we did a good job, please like and share it and tell us which method helped you solve the problem in the comment area. At the same time, if you think we need to improve, you can also express your opinions and suggestions in the comment area. Thank you. Good luck.